Thank you very much, members of the press and members of the public. I want to take this opportunity to continue wishing Honorable Osotsi a quick recovery and to thank also your wife and your family for being in support. And on these matters, Goons, as Honorable Osotsi has said it, together with the Honorable Sifuna, we are coming to Kisumu after the Nakuru rally. I know the government, you've always wanted our blood. You've been baying for our blood. We have decided that we are bringing our blood to you. Yes. Don't even look for us. We are coming to Kisumu. Please bring all your goons, the possible ones that you can manage to mobilize. We want those goons to kill us this time now. We want to die there.
We will die.
At least history will be written and we'll be on the right side of history that we died for a just cause. So we are coming to die in Kisumu. Be ready to finish us in Kisumu. Raymond Omolo. Raymond Omolo. Raymond Omolo. We are not putting in Murkomen in this and he's your boss. Why are we not fighting him in this? Yet he's a member of two-term, is in government. But we are singling out Raymond Omolo. I've never seen an insecure PS like Raymond Omolo, a person with low self-esteem. Kibisho used to be a PS, an interior PS for interior. I'm sure 90% of Kenyans can't even recall Kibisho's face, but he was powerful. This one who must use goons to look like he's powerful. What are you trying to do? We've grown in these streets and we know these streets. You will not finish us in these streets. We are smarter than you in these streets. Osotsi that you're seeing here today did not attend a rally in Kisumu. You guys never wanted us to attend a rally in Kisumu, which eventually we were coming to attend a rally. We were coming to hold a rally in Kisumu. Osotsi here was not in a political rally. Osotsi was having his meeting and his tea at a cafe. Then you attack Osotsi. So which means that whether we hold a rally or don't hold a rally, you still want to attack us. So we are coming to hold a rally. I want to tell these goons, and first of all, Raymond Omolo, use these goons that you are misusing and abusing. Use these goons, give them jobs in the forces. Wacha wawe kwa jeshi because wako na nguvu sana, wa protect this country. Wengine wawekwe kama polisi, wengine wapelekwe kama G4S. Wamenyane na majambazi huko. But if you are using these goons and you are not giving them jobs, and the goons should listen carefully that we are fighting for you. We are not against you. We are fighting for you. We want to ensure that that child that you have at home, we want to ensure that you get school fee to pay for that child that is at home. We want to ensure that you get money to pay rent. We want to ensure that you get money, you get jobs so that you can get money, so that you can get food. That is what we are fighting for. We are not the enemies of the state. We are defenders of the people. We are ensuring that Kenyans' rights are protected, are respected. We are just asking the government that why don't you give jobs if you promised jobs? Ain't that so wrong? Ruto himself, when he was being sworn in, he said that he wanted a strong opposition. Why does he want to meet a strong opposition with goons? Why can't it be a war of ideology? And then they want to brand Kisumu as being a very hostile and a bad place. Sure. These are few individuals. It is not the whole of Kisumu. And I want to tell members of the media, if you look at Ahero, there are 5 of Raymond Omolo's goons who were killed 1 week ago because they were robbing people, they were killing people, they were trying to steal from innocent Kenyans. One of them was taken from the house, and it is the community that was doing this because the community there is tired of insecurity. They went, removed him from the house, beat him up as a community. He was taken to a hospital, admitted there. In the same hospital, there was a patient that this goon had attacked, who was admitted in that hospital. Then this patient called members of the community who came, removed him from the oxygen and killed him outside the hospital. That is what happened. That is what happened, because police is supposed to protect innocent Kenyans. Police is not doing their work. Where Honorable Osotsi was, there are police officers in that place, but they could not act because these police officers are compromised. The way, when I was issuing a presser here, I named all these goons, 17 of them. Only 3 have been arrested. And true to that list, the DCI also named the same people that I mentioned. But what is surprising is that the manner in which these goons were arrested. One boy Akoth, who is the head of these goons, and by the way, Mheshimiwa Osotsi, while you were there at Java, boy Akoth, who is the head of these goons, who is being given money by Raymond to pay them, was with you in the same place. Then he left, went to the rooftop at Acacia. Then he's the one who summoned these goons to come and attack you. Something funny is that the police officers called boy Akoth to tell him to hand over these boys. Are you seeing the way the police are is even working? They didn't go to arrest them. They just said, please bring them because there's pressure. So these goons, we are coming to Kisumu. We want to know how strong you are. This time round, let us know how strong you are. And please be prepared. Please be prepared. Police, because you don't want to protect us, please keep up. We are coming, we will protect ourselves. Yes. And that is the
Come on, Baba. While he comes, there's people from all across Kenya, Mheshimiwa Osotsi. They have come from Narok, from Kajiado, Migori, Mombasa, Ngoma, Siaya,
Uganda,
Migori, Kajiado, okay. Who have I not Vihiga, of course, and Bungoma. So you can see Osotsi, this lab is across the country. People are saying we have to have a different way of doing politics. Hii ya fujo hii sisi hatutaki. Tupigane na nini? Haya, Mheshimiwa Ndolo. Funga kipindi.
Thank you very much. I'll be very much brief because a lot has been said by our leaders. First of all, to give quality to the family of my brother here, and of course the entire Linda Mwananchi. Me, I'm going to talk about what is the government doing to the president himself. President William Ruto, you took our soldiers to Haiti, where most of the goons in the world were killing people. In Haiti, did you bring those goons from Haiti to Nairobi? To Kenya, so that they can kill our people? We want to know. All those soldiers who went to Haiti, now goons are taking charge of our country. What's going on when a president? These goons are very, very dangerous, and we are not going to agree. Our country has been peaceful all that time, when even before you are there. What's happening now? What's going on? Attacking our brother. Linda Mwananchi, muko tayari? Meli imetoka, meli si imetoka. Watakiona meli. Watakiona cha moto.
Mko na swali yoyote kama waandishi wa habari? Hawana maswali maanake mmejieleza vizuri, si ndio?
Kuna swali pale.
Oh, nani huyo? You tell us your name and your media house.
But two time mama one time.
Yeah.
My name is Ashley Atieno from NTV.
Yes.
So what evidence do you have that it is Raymond Owino who
Babu, do you want to answer that question?
Yes. We have a lot of evidence to present that it is the PS who's been involved in financing these goons. Number one, when Ongondowere was assassinated, I, Babu Owino, I was called by a member of the county assembly in Nairobi, called me, informed me that where he was, there was a plan hatched, that was being hatched to kill Mheshimiwa Ongondowere, and the person who was funding this activity was Raymond Omolo. I called Mheshimiwa because the MCA wanted to meet Mheshimiwa Ongondowere, and therefore I made sure that they met. He told Mheshimiwa everything. Didn't you see the PA for Raymond Omolo being arrested and charged? Carlo, it's called Carlo. He was arrested and charged. Right now Raymond Omolo is building a house for the wife. That guy is still in prison to date. Number two, personally, when we were going to the airport, at the airport, you remember the goons were taken there. Boy Akoth. It is known everywhere in the whole of Nyanza region.
Yeah.
In Kisumu, Boy Akoth is Raymond Omolo's right-hand man. You've seen them in photos. You've seen even those goons who attacked Mheshimiwa Osotsi in photos. With him, Boy Akoth is the one who receives money from Raymond Omolo to organize all this, and using the public funds, confidential expenditure, to terrorize innocent Kenyans. In Kisumu, they organized that. In Mbali, my own class teacher, former class teacher at Kisumu Boys, Mr. Olwanda,
I know him.
the boy who was killed by Raymond's goons, that boy is the son of my class teacher, former class teacher at Kisumu Boys. He came to listen to us as a person who loved us. He came for our rally so that he could listen to us. Yes. My class teacher called me, told me, Babu, I was teaching you at Kisumu Boys. I really wanted the best for you. I didn't know that this could cost me my son, honestly speaking. And the boys who stabbed this guy has not been arrested today. And Boy Akoth is the ringleader of these boys. Do you want more evidence? What evidence do you want again?
Yes.
My name is Alan Ochanda from KTN, and we've seen former Deputy Rigathi Gachagua singling out Kimani Ichung'wah. You are singling out Raymond Omolo. And we've seen today, early morning, there were attempts to block the leaders from accessing Kikuyu. Apart from maybe calling for the resignation and arrest of Raymond Omolo, what else are you putting in place, maybe through where you see like in the national?
Just be patient, Alan. You will see. This thing will have to be done by the people themselves. Vile tumesema tunalinda mwananchi, wananchi wanatuambia ni wao watatulinda pia. So wait here.
Tunajua ile tunatoa.
Haya.
Tutatumia article 1.
Thank you.